How to change paper trading amount on TradingView. Are you guys facing issues to change your amount on TradingView? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open TradingView on your laptop device. Once you open up your TradingView, now look at the bottom of your screen where you can see the option for paper trading. Click on it. Once you click on it, now look at the setting icon over here. Click on it. Now tap on reset account. Once you click on reset account, you can see the option for balance over here. Now edit the balance according to your preference. To make your account more realistic, keep it over $100 or $1000. Once you write down your balance, now click on reset button. So as you guys can see, our balance has been changed. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.